tune a radio with a frequency, and so you got a list of changes. So frequency changes are +1, -2, +3, -1. You're just turning a knob back and forth. So if you start at 0, you go up by 1, you're 1. If you go down by 2, you're now at -1. You go up by 3, you're now at 2. Your +1 takes you to 3. So the accumulation of all these numbers is going to gradually move to a final frequency, and you just have to keep that track of that. And then the first question is, after all the changes have been applied, what's the final frequency? So really, all you have to do is add up all the numbers in this list to solve that problem. Okay? But it starts at 0. But the next one is much tougher. So you want to find the first frequency it reaches twice. And if you go through the whole list and no frequency is repeated, then you repeat the whole list as many times as necessary. So this might be more difficult. So here, if you have +1, -2, +3, +1, then you get a frequency of 1, -1, 2, and 3. Nothing is repeated yet. So you're going to have to start over, +1 and -2. Now you're going to hit a 2, so 2 is the first one that repeats. And so the question is, find the ones that repeat here. And here's examples to test it on, patterns that will determine what number you have. You duplicate first, and you have that same long list of data to find the first one. So again, it's a matter of looping through the data, creating a good object, probably a list, I would think, and then creating a search pattern that will search through it all. All right, so I'm going to stop this one.